Welcome to the Partners Program for the Interactive Curriculum Project. We're launching a new version of our e-learning platform, and you're invited to partner with us during the 2015-2016 school year. This video will briefly explain how the platform works, what your members will do, and what your organization and members get to use for free. This platform is designed to deliver lessons that are half online and half hands-on to address every learning style. Let's start with the online segment. Each lesson begins with a title page that includes the description, objective, and standards. Teachers can use this page to quickly find the lessons and units they need. Inside the lesson are information pages. These include text, pictures, and sound, which is usually the text read aloud. Students can also do lessons in 2 languages at once. By reading and hearing the information in both the native language and the target language, the student can fully comprehend the material while rapidly acquiring a second language. Welcome! In this lesson, we will practice our numbers up to the number 5. Herzlich willkommen! In dieser Lektion werden wir über unsere Zahlen bis zu der Nummer 5. Embedded throughout the lesson are question pages, which can ask for a number, letter, word, phrase, equation, or single or multiple choice answer. If a student cannot answer a question correctly, he or she is bumped back to the start of that section to study the information again. At the end of each lesson is a quiz, which is automatically generated from the comprehension questions, though the lesson writer can customize this. Students receive their quiz scores immediately and repeat the lesson until receiving a passing score. The other segment of the lesson is hands-on. The online lessons replace lectures, textbooks, worksheets, and drill and practice, freeing up teachers to really teach. They also can be used to cut class sizes in half, further enabling teachers to facilitate deep learning that includes creativity, experimentation, problem-solving, integration of the disciplines, research, and complex projects. The lesson writer can include a recommended hands-on lesson plan, printables, and helpful websites, but the teacher can modify or replace these activities to meet the needs of his or her students. This powerful combination of reading, hearing, and responding to the online lessons, graphics to aid in memory storage and recall, language translations, instant feedback from the comprehension questions and quizzes, plus the immediate hands-on application and higher-order thinking, addresses every learning style and promotes complete mastery of the subject matter. This is the perfect platform for the lessons your teachers and pre-teachers are already creating. When you partner with us, we coordinate the efforts of hundreds of people to make sure that every subject area is covered. There are 2 ways to create lessons. With our page-by-page lesson tool, the lesson writer first inputs all the data for the title page, then adds the picture, text, and sound on each page of the lesson. If the page has a question, he or she will also select the question type and input the correct answer. However, it's even faster to make a lesson with our spreadsheet. The lesson writer inputs everything into 2 pages and then uploads all of the files at once. Later, edits and translations can be added using the web editor. When you partner with us, we will provide your members with both on-site and online training in how to use educational best practices to create lessons that meet state and national academic standards, as well as various tips and tricks we've learned after creating lessons for several years. For each lesson contributed by one of your members, we will award 1,000 tuition credits to a school of their choice and a matching award to your school or college. We will also be making several bonus awards for the best lessons. This allows your teachers to use large numbers of lessons, any lesson on our system, in their classrooms this year for free. To review, your teachers are already creating lesson plans. If you partner with us, they can pour their energies into a few world-class lessons, and in exchange be able to use hundreds of other world-class lessons for free on an e-learning platform that has proven success in our lab school and will soon be available for public use. Contact us today for more details.